Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E32s. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First let's select Transit Pass and now select card you would like to add. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card, select Shop, scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Add to Wallet and it's set. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card. Simply select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet button. All of your cards will be available on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.